Good afternoon. Hey everybody, it's my last day in Tokyo and I have an exciting lineup planned. We are starting up with some amazing coffee, then sushi making, and then some games. First up, coffee. We are here at Little Motherhouse Coffee Factory. The place is known for its rich handcraft coffee and, of course, its lovely chocolate. Let's grab a cuppa and let's go. Wow, look at the presentation. And Xing Shan, I just couldn't stop myself taking a photo. And look how cute the police station is. Everything is so cute in Japan. Now it's time for something fun. Sushi making. We are at Cooking Sun Tokyo where I'm gonna learn how to make the perfect sushi rolls. There are four things in menu. Let's see how I go. So the sushi master is gonna show us how we boil to make the base of the arukage, and then we're gonna start with some eggs. We're gonna whisk it. There's a particular way of whisking the eggs with a bit of sugar. Actually, is having a go at whisking the eggs, and then we're gonna pour it in the pan. We can't put too much. You just gotta put a little, and then move the pan around and spread it, and just use the chopstick to get every edge because we cannot break the egg in the middle. That's the way the sushi master told me. And then we roll it using the chopstick. It was, let's say, a little hard. So let's make the next sushi. We're gonna make the salmon rolls. We're gonna put some salmon, cucumber, some sticky rice, and then we're gonna roll it. We're just gonna be really gentle because the roll will break if we are not. The next sushi roll we're gonna make is some sticky rice and some sesame seeds. Put the cling wrap, a reverse roll with avocado, cucumber, and crab sticks, and the egg that we made before. And then we're gonna roll it and tighten it using the cling wrap, and ta-da! That's all the sushi I have made. It was so much fun making it, but I won't lie, it was not as easy as it looks. It was my first time trying to make it, so I was satisfied. Not bad, hey. I will leave all these details in the description below in case you want to try this sushi class yourself. Such a cool experience. Now, welcome to Akihabara. Sorry if I butchered the name. This is every gamer and anime lover's dream come true. There are arcades, retro game shops, and so much cool merch. Let's play this Mario game first. Oh my god, I just enjoyed myself. I just couldn't stop myself playing so many different games. Of course, the car game was one of my favorite ones because, yes, I do love cars. Got to drive an Evolution, one of my favorite cars, at this game. And yes, I did take automatic, guys. So sorry. I just couldn't understand the Japanese instructions on the right of the gearbox, and yeah, I just went with automatic. Let's see how I go. could literally spend hours here, but I don't think it's gonna be fun for you guys. So I'm just gonna wrap up this night. It's a fun last day in Tokyo. Coffee, sushi, gaming, and what more could I ask for? Tomorrow I'm heading to Nagano really early in the morning, so gotta head to bed soon. Some relaxing onsens. I can't wait. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more travel adventures in Japan. See you next time. Arigato gozaimasu.